Hello, my name's Jennifer Killick and I am the author of the World Book Day book, Creepy Creations. So I really love writing horror comedy stories, and Creepy Creations is a story set in the world of my Dreadwood series. So Dreadwood is about a group of students. At the beginning of the story, they are not friends, they don't really like each other, but they go through such horrific, spooky, jump scary, disgusting things together that they kind of grow to become friends and to trust one another. So the stories that I like to write usually involve some kind of monster. I really like a bad baddie, like an evil, creepy baddie, and the villains in Dreadwood stories are so horrible that I actually have nightmares about them myself quite often. I love basing my stories on scientific facts, so I use real creatures as inspiration for my mutated monsters. And I love writing about friendships, about groups of people and how they come together and how they deal with challenging situations when things get bad. I love to throw in a few jokes and some humour to lighten those scary moments as well. So that's me, that's Dreadwood, and that's the kind of thing that I love to write.